Unraveling Idioms, the curious case of snake hole. Hello, dear viewers. Welcome back to our channel, English Language Playground, where we dive deep into the fascinating world of English idioms and phrases. Today, we're going to explore the meaning behind the phrase, snake hole, and how you can use it in everyday conversations. So, if you're ready for this linguistic journey, let's slither into the world of English idioms. Before we get into the metaphorical aspect, let's first understand what a snake hole literally refers to. A snake hole is a burrow or tunnel in the ground where a snake lives. It is a place of refuge for the snake, where it can hide from predators and the harsh elements of nature. Now, while the literal meaning is quite straightforward, the idiomatic expressions using snake hole are even more intriguing. When we use snake hole in a figurative sense, it usually means a complex or tricky situation. It's like falling into a problem that is as difficult to navigate as a maze of tunnels created by a snake. Sometimes, it can also refer to a situation that leads to many other problems, just as a snake hole can lead to an entire network of tunnels. For example, when someone says, "Let's not go down that snake hole," they mean, let's not talk about or get involved in that complicated issue. To help you better understand, let's use snake hole in a few sentences. The debate about the new policy turned into a snake hole of legal arguments. I didn't want to open up a snake hole by asking about his past. In these sentences, snake hole signifies the complexity and potential trouble one might encounter. It's important to note that snake hole isn't a commonly used idiom and might be confusing to some listeners. Therefore, ensure that the context is clear when you decide to use it. Also, it is sometimes used interchangeably with the more common phrase, rabbit hole, though they can have slightly different connotations. And that wraps up our exploration of the phrase, snake hole. As we've seen, idioms can turn a simple conversation into an exciting linguistic adventure. Thank you for joining us on this journey, and we hope you feel more confident in using snake hole and other idioms in your English conversations. Until next time, keep learning and never hesitate to dive into the language's rabbit, or should I say snake, holes.